Everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And no, this is not my painting for the week, although it looks like a pretty good swipe, don't you think? That could be my city. So yeah, today is April Fool's Day, and I hope you saw Tiffany earlier today, and then Lance Travis, and pouring together with Lance Travis, and then Cynthia Porter Studios. These are all my beautiful leftover paints, and I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna put this really, really thin. I'm gonna make a very thin coat here. As you can see, I pre-painted the canvas, and now I'm giving it a very thin coat. That's the only way my swipes actually worked, was with a very thin coat of paint. So if you find that you are having trouble getting your swipes to work, try making your base coat very thin, and give that a try. I think it may work for you too. Up here. And I'm gonna do that in silver and in gold. I just cut up the papers from the canvas, and that's what I'm using for my swipes. And I'm gonna put some music on for your enjoyment. So let's swipe. Cool. I'm not going to put too many buildings because, like I said, I do want to leave a lot of negative space here. I am not going to put too many buildings.
No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
Pretty, you need silver.
Won't stop for traffic lights. I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Houston, we are done with this part.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
So you all know it's April Fool's, and I can't just pass it up without saying a few jokes. So a couple of pranksters broke into their local police station, and they stole all the bathroom equipment. And I overheard someone saying, "We have absolutely nothing to go on." Can you believe that one? Here's another one. Who needs a day of fools? I'm surrounded by them all year long. Sometimes that's not too funny. Okay, so this one is really going to get you. Why is everyone so tired on April 1st? Because they just finished a long 31-day march. Can you believe that one? Oh my. Why do eggs like April Fool's Day? They love practical yolks. Okay, what did summer say to spring? I'm going to fall. All right, I had enough of these jokes. I'm sure you did too. Happy April Fool's Day, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that little short joke session. Well, this is my version of the Easter parade. I'm going to take it down for a close-up. I absolutely love this. I can see all the faces here. They're gorgeous. There's my city, and here's my parade. So I'm going to take it down. Give me a second. I know you're gonna love it. So here's the city, and this is the wet results. I just love it. Just gold and silver. How beautiful is that? And now I'm gonna take it down to see my people. Okay, as you're enjoying my people here, just a little reminder, in case you missed Tiffany Remijn, pouring together with Lance Travis, Cynthia Porter Studios. They all went before me today. And we have a big surprise tonight. Next is Brian's Upper Valley Artistry. And then after Brian is Nate Bright Art. So we have a great lineup today. I hope you enjoy it. Brian is next. Isn't this the best way to spend your Friday night? So this is the next day, and here are my dried results. It came absolutely beautiful, nice and shiny. Look at those cells, how gorgeous they came. This was an experiment of days and days, but it actually came quite lovely. I really love the way this came out. So if you like the way this came out and you love what you see today, please join me. Subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think about this. Thanks for coming, everyone. Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today.